I'm a specialist in purchasing. Most of the time I'm supporting purchasing requests within our SAP SRM system. Besides this, there are multiple other tasks such as supporting supplier registration requests and supporting also YARAS requests and also support of the internal customers that are working with our systems. I like especially that we are a very fun team. We work hard, but we can also enjoy ourselves during work time. And I also like a lot that this is a multicultural company with different nations and cultures, and you work with different types of people and cultures. Some years ago I received an internal award for being a valuable member of a purchasing team, and that was really satisfying and I enjoyed that moment a lot. General Procurement is there to help people, to support, so help us to help you. Being with YAZAKI is being with a lot of friends.